cylinder is all dry. Well, not dry, it's leather hard. I got impatient and blow dried it instead of leaving it outside. So you can blow dry it, you can leave it outside until it becomes leather hard. You could leave it overnight with a bag lightly over it. If you're gonna do that way, you just want it to go over the top lightly so some air is getting in. If you wanted it to not get wet at all, you'd have it really well wrapped, but you can just do it lightly like that overnight if you're gonna let it get leather hard. But that's the really important part, is that you manage it and make sure that you're paying attention to how dry it is so it doesn't get too dry. So our cylinder is leather hard. Now we need a foot. So I'm gonna take my clay, roll out another slab, just a tiny one this time. This is just like what we did for the coil pots, how their foot was just a tiny little slab. Okay, here's my little slab. I'm gonna trace around my cylinder so I can get the perfect size foot. So I'm tracing this. And now I'll cut it. So I have my foot. This is still very plastic and super wet. So I need to wait until this is leather hard to attach it to my cylinder. So the cylinder and the foot need to be the same dryness in order to attach them. So I'm gonna blow dry this, come back, and then we'll attach it.